Hey, it's Tracy Beaver. I'm with Beaver Maintenance and Construction here in Memphis, Tennessee. We do mostly, probably 90% of our business now is retaining wall work. We use a Keystone product, great service. And luckily, I've come across this brand of equipment, JCB, and I've got a great salesman here in Memphis, and he's helped me a lot. We've been doing this wall business here for, gosh, I guess since the early 90s. We used to build cross tie walls, and I've been doing this kind of work since I was 10 years old working for my brother. Split away years ago, started my own business, and the rest is history. We come across this machine here, the JCB Teleskid. It's a unique machine, and that's what I like about it. I'm always looking for something that'll help me make a dollar. As everybody knows, in today's time, you can't find help. The most important piece in your business is your equipment. And you gotta find a dealer that will service you. And the dealer is servicing and taking care of me, and that's a huge thing to me. I have several brands of equipment. I don't look at any name. You gotta buy all Caterpillar, you gotta buy all Bobcat. That's crazy. You buy what works best for your application. I'm gonna show you today how when we build retaining walls, I got a Bobcat machine here. I'm gonna show you how we used to do work in the retaining wall business. As you can see here, this is how we used to backfill retaining walls with the gravel, because we have no way of accessing other than as close as we can get and taking the gravel and shoveling it in. And as you can tell, this one bucket will take us somewhere around 5 to 7 minutes to empty to put in behind a wall. And for years and years, I always said if I could buy me a telehandler and put it on the job, I could boom that thing up there and put the gravel in. And finally, they made a bucket for one, and I own one. I own a Lull, and it's really big. It's 25,000 pounds. It's hard to move. It's hard to maneuver it on the job site. It's just very cumbersome. And unless I have a lot of this where I have 2 layers of walls that I have to get to the top, I never bring it in. And luckily, I saw a video of this JCB Teleskid, and I said, I've got to find me one of these and try it out. So luckily, that's what I did. I found the Briggs company, and they were able to bring one out for me and try it out. All right, as you can see right now, here we are using this Teleskid, and it has somewhere around a 5 to 7 foot reach that the other brands of skid steers don't have. And we're able to dump this in the material, dump the material in behind the wall, and this is gonna take a matter of a minute or 2, if that, maybe 30 seconds, all on how much we gotta work around our sleevets here or what we have to do. We had to put these in for the handrails so that no one falls over the wall, and he's able to dump. So as you can see, it all dumps out. We're able to put all the material in just a matter of 30 seconds. The first job that we used this Teleskid on, we literally took a 2-day job and turned it into one. And by doing that, I saved labor for 9 hours, 6 men. At $30 an hour, that's $180 an hour. Just say $200 an hour, just for easy numbers. That's $1,800 in 1 day I saved, easily. That gave me 1 day to get to the next job, to speed up my time of doing the work. Plus, it paid the note twice in 1 day. It's just cost, straight up cost. That's the versatility of this machine. I have a total of 8 skid steers in my fleet, only 1 JCB Teleskid. I will end up with at least a minimum of 4 Teleskids and 4 regular machines.